Hi, this is Andy plus AI. Today I want to show you a small but very useful thing, a USB-UART adapter made from a regular cardputer. There will be a GitHub link in the description. I really liked how I solved a problem using this setup, so I decided to share it. Maybe it will be useful for someone else too. And if you can think of other ways to use something like this, write your ideas in the comments. Recently, I got an interesting board, CrowPanel Advanced 10.1. There will be a link in the description. I just started exploring this board and I already ran into a few limitations. The first problem is the CH341 driver, which is used for UART-0 on this board. On my system, macOS Tahoe, it simply doesn't work. I found a workaround. You can flash the board directly through the USB 2.0 device port. This works great, and flashing firmware is not a problem at all. But then a second problem appears. Through this USB port, you cannot receive system logs. And when you're developing firmware, logs are essential. Without them, it's very hard to understand what is actually happening inside the program. So I decided to create another workaround. I redirected the ESP console to UART1 and turned the cardputer into a UART bridge. Now the chain looks like this: CrowPanel, UART, cardputer, USB, Mac. The cardputer receives data from UART and forwards it directly to the serial monitor on the computer. The connection is very simple. On the CrowPanel, we use the J2 connector, which is UART1. The wiring is straightforward. TX from the CrowPanel goes to RX on the cardputer. GND goes to GND. And do not connect VCC power. This is important. After that, just connect the cardputer to your computer with the normal USB cable. And that's it. Now I can see all the logs in real time. Boot logs, USB events, and program messages. Everything appears directly in the terminal. Basically, the cardputer works as a USB to UART adapter, but with its own screen. And the best part is that building this setup took about 1 hour. Sometimes small tools like this can make development much easier. If you have ideas for other ways to use a UART bridge like this, write them in the comments. I'd be happy to read them.
Subscribe to the channel, drop a like, and leave a comment. See you next time, fellow nerds.